Welcome to our adventure into the world of night animals. Join me as I discover the mysterious creatures that come alive after dark, from silent owls to sneaky foxes. Let's go! Owls are expert hunters of the night, soaring silently through the darkness. They use their keen eyesight and sharp talons to swoop down on unsuspecting prey. Did you know that owls can't roll their eyes? That's why they have the wonderful ability to turn their heads 135 degrees in either direction. Isn't that amazing? Bats are the only mammals that can fly, gliding gracefully through the moonlit sky. Using echolocation, they navigate the night and hunt for tasty insects. Did you know that one bat alone can eat up to 1,000 insects per night? Fireflies are like tiny lanterns that light up the night with their magical glow. Despite their name, fireflies are not flies at all, but rather beetles. It's fascinating to know that there are over 2,000 species of fireflies worldwide. Raccoons are sneaky animals that love to explore at night. They have little masks on their faces and are great at finding food in the dark. They like to climb to the most unusual places. Foxes are smart animals that come out to hunt when it's dark. Foxes like to hunt alone. They creep and use their sharp senses to catch their dinner. Badgers are busy diggers who come out at night to find food. They explore the dark world underground with their strong claws and keen sense of smell. Badgers also have scent glands that make different scents. This is so they can tell other badgers different information. How amazing is that? Porcupines are most active during the night. They munch on leaves, twigs, and bark. Since they're nocturnal, they use their sharp senses to navigate the dark. Sometimes they might climb trees or search for cozy spots to rest until the sun reappears. Thanks for joining me on this exciting exploration of night animals. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and goodbye for now.